X is a real number such that 3 to the 3x minus 3 to the power of x is 120. Find the value of x. Okay. Here we can use changing variable. You can say, okay, 3 to the x is a. If you raise to the power of 3, 3 to the x cubed, we have this relationship. A to the m to the n is equal to a to the m n. So it is equal to 3 to the 3. X is equal to a cubed. Okay, so the first one is a cubed, and the second one is a is equal to 120. Now let's take all values to the left hand side, a cubed minus a, or we can say we can subtract 120 from both sides. Minus 120 is equal to. For these types of problems, we can use a rational root theorem, or you can check a small example. So a1 doesn't work. It is too small. 1 minus 1, 0, it's negative. A2 also, this part will be small, so it's still negative. A3 again, still negative. A4 also negative. Because y negative 64 minus 4 is what? 60, and minus 120 is negative. Minus 6. If we check A5, and it's 1 to 5 minus 5 minus 120. It's equal to 0. So A5 is our first answer. So when the degree is 3 and you find one answer, the problem will be solved. Why? Because we can factorize, and one factor is what? When A5 is one of the solution, we can factor A minus 5. Now, I want to create A cube, so I place A squared here. Now I have what? A cube minus 5A squared. I have negative 5A squared, but here I don't have any A squared, so I should cancel that. So I place 5A. Why? To create 5A squared to cancel that. 5A squared, 5A squared minus 25A. Now we have negative A. So here negative 25A. So we need 24A to reach negative A. So if you place plus 24, now we have plus 24A minus 120. Okay, this is equal to 0. So for this one, A is 5. We found this. Now we should check this. So a squared plus 5a plus 24 is. Now if we use quadratic formula, let me explain quadratic formula is what? If you have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, then because here it says x is a real number, so when x is real, 3 to the x also is real, so a is real. Here the formula is x negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And delta or discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. It should be positive for real numbers. Here, if we check this, delta or discriminant here is what? 5 squared minus 4 times. Coefficient A is coefficient of this squared. Coefficient of this squared is what? The constant term is 24. It will be 25 minus 4 times 24, which is 96, which is obviously less than 0. So here we don't have any real answer. So our only solution is A5. Now we should find x. A is what? A is 3 to the x. So 3 to the x is 5. When you have this, by definition of log, if we take log 3 from both sides, then we can say x is equal to log 5 to the base 3. So our only answer is log 5 to the base 3.